Welcome to Top 10. Today we are counting down top 10 most beautiful birds in the world. Number 10. Hyacinth Macaw.
This is the Hyacinth Macaw. With a wingspan of 1 meter, it's the largest flying parrot in the world. Its beak is so strong that it can easily crack even the hardest of shells.
Hyacinth macaw is a parrot native to Central and Eastern South America. It is the largest macaw and the largest flying parrot species. The Hyacinth macaw is known for its striking cobalt blue plumage with bright unheroic rings around the eyes.
This is Sammy. Sammy is a Hyacinth macaw, sometimes called a blue macaw, and they are the largest of all of the parrot species. So what makes a macaw so special? Macaws come in a variety of different colors. Hyacinth macaws like Sammy are all blue. So when you look up at them in the tree, they blend right in with the sky. Should we tell them? Do you want me to tell them? Yeah. Do you guys want to know a secret? Sammy's beak also comes in handy when he wants to climb. He can use it just like a hand. Come a little closer. Well, not that close. And you can see a little bit of the skin around his eyes and his beak.
Number 9. Kingfisher.
That was a kingfisher, so named because it's good at fishing for kings or something. You'll find the often brilliantly colored kingfishers all over the world.
Kingfishers are a family of small to medium-sized, brightly colored birds. Most of species are found in the tropical regions of Africa. Kingfisher is one of the most beautiful birds in the world. The kingfisher plumage is brightly colored and numerous species are blue.
Kingfishers will perch on a branch overlooking the water and wait for the perfect opportunity to dive bomb their prey.
Number 8. Golden pheasant. Golden pheasant are native to the western mountains of China's jungle. Gold pheasants are known for their rich varicolored colors. Number 7. Blue jay. The blue jay is a passerine bird native to eastern North America. Blue jays are one of the smartest and most amazing catcalls in the world.
With beautiful vivid blue or purplish plumage and gorgeous patterns in their wing feathers bearing a resemblance to stained glass, you can see this crested corvid all year round because they are resident birds in most of the range.
Number 6. Flamingo.
In spring, the dusty hues of the desert are brought to life with the arrival of a flamboyant seasonal visitor. Flamingos.
These Caribbean flamingos are the brightest members of the flamingo family. They're unusual in many ways.
The flamingo is one of the most well-known wading catcalls in the world. Flamingos are famed among catcalls for their striking red grandiloquent plumage color.
This is no frivolous footwork.
Number 5. Scarlet Macaw.
The macaw's detailed knowledge of the forest tells them just where to go.
And George, as you can see, isn't a young baby macaw because
Macaws come in a wide variety of colors, sizes, and shapes, but the scarlet macaw is one of the most striking. They're native to the tropical evergreen forestland of Central and South America.
Can be up to 33 inches from beak to tail. Oh, you want more? That was an Gabby Wild? I want some more. Thank you very much.
Number 4. Keel-billed toucan. Keel-billed toucan is one of the most meat catcalls in the world. Toucans is native to Latin American and generally plant in the tropical rainforests of Mexico and Colombia. Number 3. Indian peacock. Indian peacock is the manly raspberry of the peafowl. The seductive display of the green and blue feather adduct, frequently described the peacock cotillion, is a part of the lovemaking strategy. Number 2. Bohemian waxwing.
Waxwings are small starling-sized birds with a prominent crest and colorful markings. They move around in large flocks, feeding heavily on one or more fruit trees. When the food supply is depleted, they move on to the next supply.
Bohemian waxwing is among the most beautiful passerine catcalls in the world. They resettle in large flocks to the northwest corridor of the United States. Number 1. Wood duck. Wood duck is presumably the most astoundingly various waterfowl in the world. That's it for today. See you in the next video.